Hey, Flurbird. Son here. So maybe you're like me, you want to load the Unreal Engine 4 layout. Well, go to Window, Load Layout, and click Unreal Engine 4 Layout. That's that easy. Yeah, this is a really nice boomer style of working in Unreal Engine 5. So if you like this, then go your gang. I personally, I do like the new layout. So default editor layout, just load it up and you're good to go. But maybe you just need an extra like content browser. Yoink it over here or over there, or maybe yoink it over here. Did you know you can like move screens around in Unreal Engine 5 and Unreal Engine 4 as well? And it's really easy and convenient. And if you want to save it, just save your loadout. Give it a cool name and something like my workflow, and give it a description maybe. Yeah, maybe give it a description. And that will do for this video. It's a very short one, but I do love you. This Flurbird out. Bye.